Are you a busy person who can't take out time for your skincare routine but want that flawless glow on your face? Then this video is for you. Yes, you can have glowing and healthy skin just by eating right. This list of food items that I'm sharing with you is easy to incorporate in your diet. The beta carotene in carrots won't just make your eyes happy, it will help your skin too. Orange vegetables like carrots provide your skin with vitamin A and C to help prevent wrinkles and dark spots. These vitamins also prevent flaking and dryness, keeping your skin hydrated and bright. Carrots can protect your skin from the sun rays. The beta carotene in carrots is a skin-friendly nutrient that gets converted to vitamin A inside the body. It helps repair skin tissues while protecting skin from harmful radiation. Avocados are packed with healthy fats to keep your skin smooth and clear. Having a diet rich in healthy fats keeps your skin moisturized and more flexible too. You will be less prone to wrinkles because your skin will spring back instead of sagging. Frozen vegetables with deep colors like blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are packed with ultra-healthy antioxidants. They'll protect your skin from the sun and keep it glowing all year long. Like carrots, sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, giving them their orange color and serious nutritional punch. When we eat beta-carotene, our bodies convert it to vitamin A and use it to protect our skin cells from sunburn and wrinkles. Walnuts provide your skin with essential fatty acids, vitamins, and protein, all of which keep your skin soft and glowing. Walnuts are also a great source of zinc, which has been proven to help with reducing inflammation and help wound healing. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and lycopene, which means eating a diet rich in tomatoes can help prevent sun damage and wrinkles. So, they are also a must-have for a happy and a healthy skin. The protein in eggs won't just keep you full all morning long, it will also help you stay flexible. The amino acids in eggs help build collagen, which we all start to lose as we age. Having more collagen in your skin keeps it springy and bright. Loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and zinc, eating broccoli every night can keep you looking younger and brighter. Broccoli contains the antioxidant sulforaphane, which protects your skin against free radical damage. This compound prevents sun damage like burns and wrinkles from UV rays. Green tea contains antioxidants called catechins that help just about every part of your body. These catechins have been proven to reduce skin redness and keep your skin looking and feeling more hydrated. Pomegranates are full of antioxidants like polyphenols to support a healthy body. These polyphenols promote blood flow to your skin, giving you that healthy glow we are all after. They also protect against sun damage and free radicals. Apples are very rich in vitamin A and C. And as we have discussed earlier, both these vitamins protect your skin a lot and keep it glowing. They contain certain antioxidants that fight off free radicals in the body. They are also very easily available. You can just include a few slices of this fruit or its juice in your breakfast. Remember, apple peels are rich in antioxidants that reduce the signs of visible aging on your skin. So, when you are eating an apple, eating it with the peel is the best way to get all of its benefits. Do you know that there is a relation between an unhealthy gut and many skin ailments? Well, yogurt contains certain probiotics that help in the process of digestion. This helps in keeping problems such as breakouts and skin dryness at bay and keep your complexion radiant and glowing. You can consume yogurt after every meal, and in the case that you do not like to consume plain yogurt, you can add it to your smoothies or fruit salads. One can go on and on about the benefits that this green leafy vegetable has for our health, and it still won't be enough. There are two compounds found in spinach, lutein and zeaxanthin. These two compounds aid in heightening the skin's natural defense against ultraviolet rays, pollution, etc. It also contains vitamin A, C, and K, which all come together to help make your skin more glowy and clearer. Spinach is also great in giving your skin a more youthful appearance as it delays the process of aging significantly. Unlike most other vegetables, spinach is healthier when it is cooked compared to eating it raw. Cooked spinach will give you 3 times the number of nutrients that raw spinach of same quantity will. After a long list of fruits and vegetables, here is one for all the chocoholics. Dark chocolate contains this certain antioxidant called flavanol. It aids in reducing the roughness of the skin and also acts as a natural sunscreen. Cocoa beans protect the skin from oxidative stress, which usually leads to premature skin aging. There is no tastier way to keep your skin glowing and healthy than this. Make sure that you are actually consuming dark chocolate instead of just milk chocolate, as the more diluted the cocoa is, the unhealthier it becomes. So, these were some of the foods which can make your skin glow with radiance from within. Try to include some of these in your regular diet and see the difference for yourself.